Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Light of Joy. I hope you all are healthy, happy and blessed. Today our topic is Life Lessons from the Holy Text Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita is the eternal message of spiritual wisdom from Lord Krishna. The word Gita means song and the word Bhagavat means God. Hence, the Bhagavad Gita is called the Song of God. It spiritually enriches the mind with the knowledge of the self and assists the mind to attain the ultimate goal of self-realization. The Gita emphasizes that one should cultivate an attitude of non-attachment and detachment. The Bhagavad Gita is such an important scripture that it can help us to get out of the cycle of birth and death. Anyone who recites Bhagavad Gita with devotion will go to the spiritual world at the time of death. If one reads Bhagavad Gita sincerely, the reaction of one's past deeds will not act upon them. Let's go ahead with the summary of Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna says, "Why do you worry without cause? Whom do you fear without reason? Who can kill you? The soul is neither born nor does it die." Whatever happened, happened for the good. Whatever is happening for the good. Whatever will happen will also happen for the good only. You need not have any regrets for the past. You need not worry for the future. The present is happening. What did you lose that you cry about? What did you bring with you which you think you have lost? What did you produce which you think God destroyed? You did not bring anything. Whatever you have, you received from here. Whatever you have given only here. Whatever you took from God. And whatever you gave to Him. You came empty-handed, you will leave empty-handed. Whatever is yours today belonged to someone else yesterday and will belong to someone else the day after tomorrow. You are mistakenly enjoying the thought that this is yours. It is this false happiness that is the cause of your sorrows. Change is the law of the universe. What you think of as death is indeed life. In one instant, you can be a millionaire, and in the other instance, you can be steeped in poverty. Yours and mine, big and small. Erase these ideas from your mind. Then everything is yours and you belong to everyone. The body is not yours, neither are you of the body. The body is made of fire, water, air, earth, ether, and will disappear into these elements. But the soul is permanent. So who are you? You are the everlasting eternal soul. Dedicate your being to God. He is the one to be ultimately relied upon. Those who know of His support are forever free from fear, worry, and sorrow. Whatever you do, do it as a dedication to God. This will bring you the tremendous experience of joy and life freedom forever. So, let's all surrender on to the Almighty Lord Krishna, for He is the only ultimate deliverer of our mankind and can bring everlasting happiness, joy, and peace into our lives. Jai Shri Krishna. So, thank you very much for watching my channel, everyone. I hope you all follow the life lessons from Bhagavad Gita and be blessed with everlasting peace, joy, and happiness. Jai Shri Krishna. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.